stopped along the way at this Gallop's Food Plaza. We're about 90 kilometers from Bhavnagar, traveled about hour and a half already. A lot of different places to eat. ISKCON Gathia, Domino's, Subway, Coco ice cream, Sankalp over there. We are stopped at ISKCON Gathia. Papdi Gathia, Morela Gathia, and Rajwadi Cha, chutney, papaya chutney. Marcha hai, marcha. Mutta marcha hoता है. Marcha. We are at a place called Nath Hills. It's about 20 minutes outside of the city of Bhavnagar in Gujarat. This is the famous Takhteshwar Mahadev, June 22nd, 2025 in Bhavnagar. The beautiful Takhteshwar Mahadev was built in the late 1800s by the ruler of Bhavnagar, Takht Singh Ji. Very calm, peaceful place, and at one point it used to be the highest point in the city of Bhavnagar. We left from Bhavnagar, and on the way to Shihor there is the temple of Kodiyar Mata. We just stopped there for darshan. The Reliance factory on the left hand side. It's a big refinery here, and it's India's largest refinery for sure, and even maybe Asia's. And this is their security vehicle. To the right is GSFC Sikka unit, fertilizer township. Plant of Reliance. Mobile plant. This is Reliance refinery. Now we are coming up on Naira Energy on the right hand side. This is another refinery. This looks awesome. We just reached Dwarka, Jai Dwarkadish. This is a temple. And now going towards the hotel. And from there, get settled in. द्वारकाधीश मंदिर. Main Arabian Sea, गोमती नदी, सुदामा सेतु. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so the tide is receding. It's low tide now, starting to kick in. Now we are passing through Dwarka city and went to the temple in the morning, came back, had lunch, just it's about 3 o'clock now, and now we are going to Nageshwar Mandir, which is one of the 12 Jyotirlings, and then we'll go to Gopi Tadav, then Bet Dwarka, and on the way back we'll stop by Shivrajpur beach and Rukshmani temple. Nageshwar Mandir, one of the 12 Jyotirlings. We just bowed down to the Almighty and came outside. It's a big statue of Lord Shankar. Now we have come to see Gopi Tadav. It said that this is where Lord Krishna used to meet with the gopis. Gopi Tadav. કેવું લાગ્યું? Great. Heading towards Bet Dwarka. Bet means island. Dwarkadish temple. We just came to Bet Dwarka. Now from here we have to take the rickshaw to go to the Dwarkadish temple. Now we are walking towards Bet Dwarkadish Mandir. Just got off the rickshaw and then there is a small alley going through that. This is the entrance to the Dwarkadish temple, and in there, beyond that, we cannot take our mobile or camera, so just try to take some turns. Jai Dwarkadish. This is the Sudarshan Setu bridge connecting the mainland to Bet Dwarka, and we just came from Bet Dwarka over there and going towards Dwarka now. Just stopped along the way to take some videos. Looks beautiful, and that's the Arabian Sea right there. And here a lot of wind. And this is the suspension bridge. This is Rukshmani Mandir. Rukshmani ji was Lord Krishna's wife. It's near the marshy land. Very close to Dwarka. Back there is Dwarka. 24th June 2025. It's 7:30 in the morning, and Dwarkadish temple just looks fabulous. It's a view of Gomti river from the hotel window. Arabian Sea in the back, Sudama Setu. Because of the tide, there's all ocean water this is coming in. Now we are walking towards Harsiddh Mata Mandir. Harsiddh Mata nu Mandir. Hey Harsiddh Mata. There is a temple on the hilltop. Some people went up there. I have been there maybe 25 years ago. Today we just went to the temple at the bottom of the hill. Now we are at the Mool Dwarka Tirthadham. Mool means original. It is said that the original Dwarka was here and then it moved further towards the coast. At Mool Dwarka temple. This is the premise. We have stopped at Madhopur beach. It's about 60-70 kilometers before Somnath, and this is the Arabian Sea, main sea, right by the highway. The waves look very dangerous, so not planning to go into the water, but just enjoy. Enjoying coconut water at Madhopur beach. Passing through the town of Mangrod. Just purchased green coconut halwa. Now we are about 50 kilometers from Somnath. Halwa tasted really well. Just reached Somnath and had lunch, and this is our room, executive room in Hotel Sagar Darshan. It's a VIP guest house actually, and right in front of the Arabian Sea. And over there is Somnath temple. Jai Somnath Dada. You can see the temple from our hotel premise. That's our hotel Sagar Darshan. It's 9:15 at night, and we just finished dinner and enjoying some ice cream. You may not be able to see the sea, but hear it clearly. It's very wide. June 2025, 7:30 in the morning. We have arrived at Ahilyabai temple. It's next to the Somnath Mandir, and the ruler of Indore, Ahilyabai Holkar, had built the temple underground, or the Shivling was put underground to safeguard against the aggressors or invaders. We just came to Dehot Sarg, or also known as Golok Dham Tirth. This is where Lord Krishna gave up his life. This is a history of Golok Dham Tirth. It says that Lord Shri Krishna took his divine journey to Nij Dham from this sacred soil on 18th February of English calendar in the year 3102 BC at 2:27 and 30 hours. This is the importance of Bhalka Tirth. These are the footprints of Lord Shri Krishna here at Dehot Sarg. We have arrived at Bhalka Tirth. And as I had shown earlier, this is where Lord Krishna was shot by an arrow in his left foot.